Oh man, I'm bored.
Hey, did you say you're bored?
Uh, yeah. Who said that?
Hey, over here, Pea-Brain. So you want to have some fun with that sandwich instead of eating it?
Okay, now how am I gonna have fun with a simple half of a peanut butter sandwich?
It's real simple. Instead of eating that peanut butter sandwich, you take it and you throw it up on the ceiling and watch it stick.
Now wait a minute. You want me to take the sandwich and throw it up onto the ceiling and what? Wait till it falls down?
Look, trust me, just do it and see what happens.
Okay. Here goes nothing. Is it ever gonna come down?
Now throw it against the wall.
Okay.
Do it again. And again.
Behind the back. Yes.
Now you see, wasn't that a lot more fun than just eating that sandwich?
You're right, Mr. Angry Bird. That was a lot more fun than eating that sandwich. Whew, I feel a lot better. Thank you.
Well, everybody, have a good night. We're out of birdseed, and I'm not too happy, so